We are off sailing into the sun. Oshios group. This is my group. First break of the day on day 3. 2 different pods here. Group wave. Coming into the Santiam River. Santiam River coming into the Willamette River. You get it? We're Buena Vista. Here's the ferry. We're going to close the ferry. Travis is getting a drone shot. Smile. I knew it wouldn't reach. Water's really clear. Coming into our day 3 campsite, straight ahead.